Namaste, Sairam. I'm Yamini Savur. I'm the principal of Sai Angel School, and I have also earned a professional degree in visual communication, and this has helped me associate with Sai Angels PU College for the NATA as well as the BARC JEE coaching program for students who wish to take in, who wish to go in for architecture as their graduation subject. So what exactly is this architecture? Let's think about all these buildings that you see around you, whether it's a hospital or whether it's a college or it's your very own home. It could be any building. We all know, we're aware that civil engineers come in, and under them they have a team of masons as well as workers, they're the people who construct the building itself. All this comes with some measurements, with the floor plan measurements. They have a blueprint to begin with, and this is the technical aspect. Along with the technical aspect, every building aspires to have an individual streak, and every person who wishes to occupy that building, say it's your home, you want an individuality to that home which will set it apart from other homes. You also have your own way of expressing yourself. So here is where an architect comes in. He or she understands your design requirements. So the architect basically has to be an expert at creativity, at visualization and design, and has to have a well-trained and strong aesthetic sensitivity. So this is what NATA as a course is and BARC as a course is. At Sai Angels, how do we make it work for our students who have all been toppers? We make them unlearn rigidity and enter the land of creativity. So here, their ideas are allowed to flow, and they merge them with a technical aspect as well, such as perspective drawing, drawing people, drawing places, coming up with design concepts. So there are so many things they learn, a lot of practice is given to them to merge the creative aspect with the technical aspect. Now I think following what I am saying now, you will be listening to our students from Sai Angels PU College who have undergone this course for several years, in the sense for the last few batches, as well as they have been placed in excellent colleges and top colleges. They have earned a good rank with NATA as well as JEE, BARC. So over to them.
Drawing was one of the most difficult part for me, because getting the speed and also providing the same quality of drawing is one of the most important topic in NATA exams. So study what are the topics that they have gonna give you for the drawing sections, and then start practicing right away.
Start early, start going through question papers and identify the things you will have to work on. Read newspapers and be knowledgeable about the current affairs, start sketching and be passionate about the subject.
I couldn't work from the beginning for NATA as I was unaware of many things, but once I started to learn, I started sketching all the time, like in my free time, and used to solve many aptitude questions which I used to enjoy. And I would also like you to suggest to solve as many questions as possible, mainly aptitude, which you will enjoy and will help you gain your general knowledge too.
The earlier you start your practice, the better it is, so that you can solve like more number of questions, and you'll get more exposure, and you'll know your strengths and weaknesses, and simultaneously you can concentrate on the topics that you have to improvise.
Everyone will be passionate to one or the other thing. Same way, even I was passionate towards the drawing. When I was young, my drawing teacher had taught me the drawing, because of which I was attracted towards the drawing. So I had taken this as my journey and I have moved on.
It had been a memorable and knowledgeable journey and good experience with Sai Angels in preparing for my JEE and NATA. This journey began when I was in my primary school, and as you can see, I was aspiring to become an architect since I was a kid. And with the help of Sai Angels, I would become a good architect for the future of India.
In the journey, do not focus on changing your pattern for studies. Instead, just implement the good ideas day by day.
My journey in Sai Angels was very memorable. It helped me in the preparation of NATA as well as JEE Arch. I had a dream of being an architect from my childhood days. It helped me to crack entrance exam as well.
Drawing is one of the most important sections in both NATA and BArch exam. So coping up with the speed and also getting the whole quality of the same drawing is very much important. So do practice the drawings every day, and then one sketch per day will get you the goal.
Start sketching every day, whether it might be a doodle or a scribble. The main thing is to get the feel of the pencil in your hand and get a hang of it. Then a word of advice is don't copy from the internet. Imagine it yourself and take the things you like from another drawing and put it in. And if there's some thing that you can't draw, take reference for it and practice on it. You'll do great.
To draw good, one must practice good. Give at least 20 minutes of your day. Take a rough paper or a newspaper, draw some circles, zigzag, curved lines or different shapes. By doing this, your hand gets used to it. And take some random objects, keep it on the table, take a light and keep it moving. And you look at how they look and where the shadow falls. This tip was given to me by Yamini ma'am to improve my drawing skills.
First of all, just keep some object in front of you and try to sketch it out, and then go for the harder ones, like where they will have given a scenario and you have to imagine and draw. So you will enjoy it and try to solve many question papers.
I think your drawings can be really enhanced when you practice like freehand strokes and the perspective drawing with human figures. It will really enhance the drawing, and it will also give your evaluator an idea of that you have an understanding about perspectives.
What I used to do was to stay calm and go through the concepts with confidence that I'll bring out skills and talent in different ways and aspects. All you have to do is to observe your surroundings, environments, lifestyles, cultures, etc. in the view of architectural way. Sai Angels provided a very good example as well as well visualization in their own premises to go through the concepts.
Architecture was actually my dream, so Sai Angels made my dream come true in simple words. And the NATA coaching that I took here helped me a lot in getting the speed and also understanding the aptitude concepts and analyzing the mathematical questions and all. Yamini ma'am helped us in getting the speed up and also getting the quality in the paper. So that was one of the great experience that I had in the institution.
I was in Sai Angels for 15 years of my life, and through the stages I've learned a lot. I've learned to bounce back in life, and I've learned to accept my mistakes and show the better part of myself. And I thank my teachers for making the person I am right now. I'll be grateful for that. Especially Yamini ma'am, Karthik sir and Nagraj sir.
Yamini ma'am really helped us with our drawing. She's an excellent artist herself, and she gave us individual attention to each one of us and helped us focus on our weaker areas. And the main reason I took architecture is because my father is a civil engineer and my brother is a practicing architect right now. So I was really into buildings and designs from childhood itself, and that sparked my interest.
To be successful in life, we need a good guidance in our life. For my dream to come true, my teachers of Sri Sai Angels PU College have helped me to my dream come true. So I really thank for this college.
Today I became the topper of Chikmagalur district by securing 97 percentile. It was only possible because of the Sai Angel and the faculty's hard work and my hard work.
Great teachers never try to be the best teachers. Instead, they simply bring out the best in the students. Keep in mind that's the journey, not the destination that matters. So I chose Sai Angels.
In this moment, I like to thank Ms. Yamini ma'am, who is our NATA coach, because she recognized our skills and fine-tuned it, and she also provided a best foundation for our exams as well.
First of all, I would like to thank the management, the principal, especially Yamini ma'am, for supporting us in our venture, and what they taught us helped us crack NATA and BARC exams with flying colors.